Difference between simple past and past perfect. These two tenses are both used to talk about things that happened in the past. But the thing is, which tense is used for which? We use past perfect to talk about something that happened before another action. Imagine two things happen in the past. We use past perfect for the action that happens first and simple past for the action that happens next. For example, when I reached the school, the bell had rung. Listen carefully, there are two actions that happen one after the other. Now think which action happened first, the ringing of the bell or reaching the school. Yes, you're right. The bell had already rung when I reached the school. So, the first action takes the past perfect tense and the second action takes the simple past. Another example. When they arrived at the station, the train had left. Two actions happened. The first one is the train leaving the station. So, past perfect is used. And the second action is their arrival at the station. So, simple past is used. So, if there are two events in the past, we use the past perfect tense for the event that occurred first in the past. We also use past perfect tense to show that something was wished for or expected before a particular time in the past. For example, I had always wanted to buy a cycle. Let me make it clear. If you wished for something before a particular time in the past, and when you speak about that, you should not use simple past tense. You must use the past perfect tense. Here is an example. I had always wished for working in a reputed company. So, if you wished for something in the past, not at present, and when you want to speak about that, you should use past perfect tense. I hope you understood the proper usage of past perfect tense. Thank you.